Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the Master of the Day of Judgment, and a bundle of the Durud Salam on beloved Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Dear students, O level mathematics 4024, question number 1, 22 October November 22, and question number 24 of MS Book 2425. Hala travels from London to Marseille by train. She must change trains in Paris. The journey from London to Paris takes 2 hours 28 minutes. The journey from Paris to Marseille takes 3 hours and 30 minutes. The local time in Marseille and in Paris is 1 hour ahead of the local time in London. Complete the timetable for Hala's journey, local time. Students, departure time from London we have to find, whereas arrival time in Paris is 1650 hours. So students, the Paris time is 1 hour ahead, so we first move 1 hour before just to make the time same of London and Paris. So when we move backward from 1650, it will be 1550 because Paris is 1 hour ahead. And then students, journey time from London to Paris is 2 hours and 28 minutes. So we will move 2 hours back again, 1450 and then 1350, 2 hours back. And then students, we have to subtract 28 minutes from 50 minutes, and when we subtract 28 from 50, we will have 1322 hours. That is the departure time from London. Other way is, students, we will subtract 3 hours and 28 minutes from 1650 hours, and we will subtract 3 hours and 28 minutes, as Paris is 1 hour ahead and the journey time is 2 hours and 28 minutes. So students, we will subtract 328 minutes. When we subtract 8 from 10, we will have 2. Here will be 4, and we will subtract 2 from 4, and this is 2. And when we subtract 3 from 6, it will be 3 and 1. So the departure time from London is 1322 hours. Now students, second table is departure time from Paris is 1931 hours, and we have to find Marseille's arrival time. So students, the journey time from Paris to Marseille is 3 hours and 30 minutes. So there are two methods. One method is we add 3 hours and 30 minutes in 1931 hours, and we will add 330 minutes. When we add minutes, it will be 1 and 6, 61 minutes, and hours are 9 plus 3, 12, and then 261 minutes, and we will take one carry from 60 minutes, and it will become 2300 hours, 2301 hours. And other method is we will take start from 1931 hours, and we will add 3 hours and then 30 minutes. When we add 3 hours in 1931, it is 2031, it is 2131, it is 2231, and when we add 30 minutes, 2231 minutes, and then we will add 30 minutes, and it will become 2301 hours. So the arrival time in Marseille is 2301 hours. Second part is work out how long Hala waits in Paris before the train to Marseille depart. We have to find the waiting time in Paris. Arrival time in Paris is 1650 and departure time from Paris is 1931. There are again two methods. Either we can subtract 1650 from 1931. 1931 subtract 1650, and these are minutes. So students, we can't subtract 50 minutes from 30 minutes, so we will take 1 hour from hours, and it will become 91 minutes. And when we subtract 50 from 91 minutes, we will have 41 minutes, and here will be 18 hours. And when we subtract 16 hours from 18 hours, we have 2 hours and 41 minutes. It is one of the method. Second method is, students, we add 1652. Now we count 1650 to 1931. So students, 1 hour will be 1750, and then 1850 means 2 hours. And then students, we have to find how much minutes more are required to get 1931. So when we add 10 minutes in 1850, it will be 1900 hours, and then we will add 31 minutes. So time will be 2 hours and 41 minutes, because we have to add these 2 minutes as well. B part is very interesting. The exchange rate between dollar and pound is equal to $1 is $1 is equal to pound 0.75. The exchange rate between dollars and euros is equal to $1 is equal to euro R. We name this equation as 1 and 2, and students, look at equation number 1 and 2. Left sides are equal, then right sides will also be equal. So dollar, sorry, not dollar, pound 0.75 will be equal to euro R, because left side of equation number 1 and 2 are equal, so right sides will also be equal. Then students, look at equation number 3 and 4. Pound 250 is equal to euro 290, so we will make pound 250 is equal to euro 290. Students, so we will divide both sides to get pound 1, because I want to make equation number 5 and 6 same. So we will transfer this 250 to right side, and it will divide. This 0 will be cancelled with last 0, and pound 1 is equal to euro 29 over 25. Now students, look at equation number 5 and 6. From 5 and 6. Left side of equation number 5 is pound 1, and left side of equation number 6 is also pound 1. So students, these two equation, left side of these two equations are equal, so right sides will also be equal. So R over 0.75 will be equal to 29 over 25, and 0.75 is dividing on left side. When we transfer it to the other side, it will multiply. So R will be equal to 29 over 25 multiplied by 0.75, and when we use calculator, we will get 0.87, and that is the value of R. C part is, Joseph books a holiday for 3 people. The holiday cost $4.20 per person. Joseph pays a deposit of 20% of the total cost of the holiday. Calculate the amount Joseph pays as a deposit. So students, 20% he is going to pay as deposit, and the cost per person is $4.20, and there are 3 people. So 20% will be multiplied with $4.20 multiplied by 3, and when we multiply 420 with 3, we will get 1260, and percentage mean over 100. And now students, we will use calculator. 20 multiplied by 1260 divided by 100, and we will get $252. And last part of this question is, Joseph pays a total of $85.68 for airport parking for 8 days. The price includes a reduction of 15% of the full price for booking early. He is given 15% discount for booking early. Calculate the full price of airport parking for 1 day. We have to find the parking fee or parking cost for 1 day. We suppose that the parking cost per day is equal to X, and 15% concession is given. So we will subtract 15% from 100%, and that will be the cost of 1 day, and it is equal to $85.68 divided by 8, because it is the cost for 8 days, and it is the cost after reduction. So students, it will be equal to 85.68 divided by 8, Just we are dividing 85.68 by 8 just for getting the parking fees per day. And the total fee of the parking per day we have supposed that is X. So students, we will multiply 15% after subtracting 15% from 100% with X, and that will be equal to $10.71, because when we divide 85.68 by 8 we will get 10.75. Now students, this 100 is dividing on left side. When we transfer it to other side it will multiply, and 85 is multiplying. When we transfer it to other side it will divide, and the value of X will become $16.20, and we have to put this amount in the space that is given on the question paper. I hope that you have understood this question, and if there is any ambiguity you can contact me through Instagram, as well as you can mention your problem in the comment box. I will try my level best to contact you as soon as possible. And at the end I would like to say that may Allah Almighty bless you all the time and have a good day.